Social Engineer Toolkit, SET. Social Engineer Toolkit, SET, is a penetration testing kit for social engineering research written in Python. It allows security professionals to create a believable social engineering attack using custom attack vectors. SET helps security professionals evaluate how susceptible organizations and individuals are to phishing, credential harvesting, and manipulation. Features: 1. Support for various attack vectors, e.g., spear phishing, credential harvesting, etc. 2. Infectious media generation. 3. Phishing website creation. 4. Email-based attacks. 5. Malicious USB device creation. WPScan. WPScan is a tool for detecting vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and security issues in WordPress websites. It checks a manually updated database of WordPress vulnerabilities and reports on the state of a website. WPScan can be integrated into a WordPress installation or used as a CLI tool. The CLI tool has a simple interface featuring the WPScan command. Features: 1. Scanning outdated plugins, themes, and core files. 2. Security checks for weak passwords, exposed sensitive information, and potential entry points. 3. Version checks for the WordPress installation and plugins. 4. Brute force attacks for login credentials testing. Metasploit framework. Metasploit framework is a penetration testing system and a platform for creating security tools and exploits. It allows the user to perform all the necessary steps to create and deploy an exploit inside a single environment. Metasploit facilitates writing, testing, and executing the exploit code. It supports actions such as exploit module configuration, pairing the module with the payload, and launching the exploit towards the target system. Features: 1. Extensive database of exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules. 2. Supports various exploits, from remote code execution, RCE, to privilege escalation. 3. Numerous security assessment options. 4. Simple creation of custom exploits and payloads. 5. Post-exploitation modules for reconnaissance, data extraction, and lateral movement in the exploited system. Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a platform for discovering vulnerabilities and security testing of web applications. The suite automates repetitive tasks in every test and allows users to dive deeper with manual and semi-automated testing tools. Burp Suite aims to provide an all-in-one solution for testing web application security. It provides the basic functionality through acting as a proxy server, scanner, and intruder, but can also work as a repeater, a decoder, a sequencer, and a comparer. The paid versions offer additional roles, such as an extender and a spider. Features: 1. Smart automation. 2. Support for HTTP/2-based testing. 3. Out-of-band application security testing, OST, that minimizes false positives. 4. Scanning single-page applications, SPAs, and APIs. 5. Pre-recording of complex authentication sequences. Aircrack-ng. Aircrack-ng is a Wi-Fi security tool for wireless network security assessment that helps the user discover, capture, and analyze Wi-Fi network traffic. It contains a detector, a packet sniffer, a password cracker, and a wireless LAN analysis tool. Features: 1. Cracking WEP, WPA, WPA2 and WPA2 keys. 2. An injector and frame replay tool that supports deauthentication attacks. 3. Packet sniffer. 4. Wireless card server. 5. Virtual tunnel interface creator. 6. Automated WEP cracking WPA handshake logging. Nikto. Nikto is a vulnerability scanner for assessing the security of web servers and applications. It scans web environments for potential vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and security risks. As a command-line tool, Nikto features the Nikto command, which takes IP addresses and domain names as arguments. After analyzing the server behind the address, the tool returns a detailed report featuring basic information about the target and a list of potential vulnerabilities. Features: 1. Identifies outdated software, misconfigured servers, and security issues. 2. Scans and identifies over 6,700 dangerous files and CGIs. 3. Full SSL support. 4. Full HTTP proxy support. 5. Scans a port by using an nmap file as input. Autopsy. Autopsy Forensic Browser is a comprehensive digital forensics tool for extracting and analyzing information from digital devices and data sources. Widely used by forensic professionals and law enforcement agencies, Autopsy provides a way to examine and recover evidence from various file systems. Autopsy is installed via the CLI and accessed through a web interface. Features. 1. Uncovering hidden or deleted information. 2. Powerful keyword search capabilities. 3. Timeline analysis provides insights into user activity. 4. Integrated hash databases for file integrity verification. 5. Hash filtering for flagging known bad files. 6. Support for various data types.